finish it. All right. So with that, I really want to introduce you, Dr. Ray. As I told already about him, Dr. Ray, please present yourself, and thank you very much for being today with us, sharing your experience.
Okay, thank you, Lazy. I hope you can hear me well. I have problem with my computer. I don't have enough juice, so I cannot show myself on the screen. I don't know if you can see me. Anyway, I have the draft of my notes in the chat box. You can download it, but maybe if you go tonight, it will be the updated version. So, as your professors, two of them have stated, you have been studying about the theories of the role of religion in service, but today I shall share with you the actual practice right here in Thailand, in northern Thailand, of a case study, which is what I have been doing in the past 5 years in Chiang Mai. So you will see how this links to our project on Monday next week. And I'd like to thank your two professors for taking part in this project. So here you can see the link, so help yourself, copy the link on the chat box. So today we will look at how different cultures and religions work together here in Chiang Mai. But I'll start off with some Q&A. So I think your professor has the snap poll. She can click it. You have two choices, 1 and 2. Can you have it ready, please, Lazy? Are you?
Sorry, Dr. Ray. Do you want me to do this poll for them?
Yeah, the snap poll.
Okay, I'll try to prepare quickly.
Okay, yeah. No, yeah, just 2 questions we will ask. 2 choices, I mean. Okay, while she's preparing, okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, that's
I'm trying to.
You have it there already?
I have the last that we did.
Yeah, that's enough.
In our last class.
Yeah, just 2 choices.
It's like 3 years.
Yeah, just like that, right? Yeah.
False and no.
Okay, thank you. So please click 1 if you are in the class of Lazy Ribeiro, and click 2 if you're in the class of Seya, of your teacher, Mr. Ong Mia So. All students, please. It's
okay.
Wait, so there's yes and no. No, wait.
Forget about yes and no. The first one, it says true or yes. Think of that as 1.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And think of the second choice as number 2. So this is multi-purpose. It will be easy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I guess you're all clicking your answers now. So
yes
or true if you're with Lazy Ribeiro. Click false or no if you're with Mr. Ong Mia So. If it's done, then we will see the results.
Still some students.
Okay. It's a easy, no-brainer question.
Yeah. I need 7 students. 6.
No critical thinking needed. Very basic profile. All right.
Okay, I will wonderful.
Okay, we'll see the answer. Okay, so 50-50%. Oh, not bad. Okay. And then if you are male, answer number 2, no or false. If you're female, answer number 1, or true, or yes. We'll see the snap poll back up again.
Let me relaunch.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm new with this. Okay.
If you are male, a man, a boy, answer true or yes. If you're, sorry. If you're female, I'm sorry. Female, you answer true or yes. Female. If you're male,
I've already did that.
okay, can you cancel the Ize? I'm sorry, I messed things up. My fault.
Okay,
My fault.
I cancel.
Cancel. Okay, let's repeat. If you are female, answer true. Female. If you are male, answer false. We're trying to simplify the polls with two choices. Okay. All set?
Okay, I share.
Alrighty. So we have more, is that male then? 58% of men are in this class. All right, thank you. Now, there are no right or wrong, correct or wrong. We're not judging you because this is an intercultural and interreligious activity. Would like to ask you, self-identify. Anyway, this is anonymous, but please answer one if you are an atheist. You think there's no God. Or if you're agnostic, you're not sure if there's God. Answer true if you're an atheist.
Oh, if I'm agnostic, it's still one, right?
Yeah, I just said that. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. Yes, please. And if you are not agnostic, answer. If you're not agnostic or atheist, answer false. All right. I would assume there will be at least one or two, or three, or four. Okay. Oh, not bad. I mean, not bad. I mean, the ratio is huge. If everyone had answered, assuming for the sake of argument, all of you have answered, about 40% are atheist or agnostic. Okay, cool. Thank you. Next question. If you're Buddhist, answer one. I assume this is Thailand, this is Southeast Asia, there will be many Buddhists. I might be wrong. Answer true or yes. If you're not Buddhist, answer false. Please. All right. We'll have the answer. Okay, we have about 20% Buddhists here. Okay, thank you. And maybe, so they're more agnostic and atheists, huh? I mean, I'm not sure. Okay, let's go to Islam since there are many Muslims in Southeast Asia. Answer true or yes if you are Muslim, please. And false or no if you are not Muslim. All right. Okay, 22% are Muslim. All right. I'm still confused. There are more atheists and agnostic than everyone else. Okay, anyway, let's move on. It's not right or wrong. My hunch was just wrong. I assume there are no Jews here, so we don't have to make a survey, or are there Jews? Okay, no one speaking up. So, are there? Okay, maybe none. So let's move on to if you are Christian, Protestant Christian. Please answer true or yes if you're Protestant Christian. All Christians who are not Catholic. Okay, let's put it that way. Answer true or yes, and false if you're not. All right. Okay, 30%. Okay, thank you. And maybe, are there Roman Catholics? Let's try. I guess maybe there'll be at least one. Let's check if there's a Roman Catholic in the two classes combined. True or yes if you're Roman Catholic. False or no if you're not. There might be a couple here. All right. All right, so I'm right. There must be at least one Catholic here. Thank you so much. Okay. And, did I write traditional religion twice? Are there people who follow religion other than the world religions? Shall we try? Okay. Do I have a survey? If you have a religion other than the world religions I've mentioned above, all of them. Answer true if you believe in another religion. Shamanism, things like that. Nature, worship, etc. Okay, so there are. So it's good I took the risk. So there you go. Thank you. So you see a survey